Hello, this is Mike from PowerBI.Tips. I'm going to go through layouts and how we use them and how you can load data to your layout. So first thing you need to do is go to PowerBI.Tips, download a layout package. So this is just the basic layouts. Once you get the zip file down on your computer, you can extract the files. Once the files have been extracted, there'll be three files in here. There'll be one file, a PBIX file, which is a demo, has data. A basic layout file, or just a generic file, a PBIT, which has no data attached to it. And then you'll have an instruction sheet to help you get through and get your data loaded quickly. All right, let's move over to the demo and show you what we're looking at here. So this is a demo file. In here, we have pre-formatted visuals. We have laid out the slicers, different charts all across the page, and try to make it look pretty good. Try to do a little bit of theming with the colors, took off some labels off the axis. Again, just try and generally clean it up and make it look really sharp. In this template, we have three different tabs on the bottom, and you see each of the designs change on each of the tabs. So if you ever want to see how we built something, or if you want to see the formatting that we used, you can click on a particular visual, click on the paint roller, and then you can scroll through all the options to see how we built this visual. Okay, so now I'm going to move over to getting your own data and making this look great on your data. So when you open up the PBIT, this is the template file, the one that does not say demo. In here, everything will look like it's broken. And this is because all the data sources have been removed. So what we're going to do is we're going to load some of our own data and start attaching it to these visuals, and you'll see how fast we can quickly build a dashboard. So go over here, we'll go get data. We'll go down here to the OData feed. I'll grab my link, put it in here, and hit OK. Let's pick something with orders. Yeah, this looks good. Load that. So loading data is easy, just like normal. Once you have your data loaded, then you're ready to start dragging and dropping. And here's the beauty of this. This is why this is so fast. We can start dragging and dropping fields directly on the page, and everything builds itself instantly. So over here, you can click on the visual individually, or you can go to the View ribbon, and you can turn on the selection pane. We've also tried to name things intelligently and make them in a logical order. So we'll start up here at the date slicer. First, we'll grab order date, and we'll add it to the date slicer. Order date on the field. And you'll see that now it has dates already applied and the slicer's properties are correct. Let's add some categories to slice and dice by as well. So let's click slicer number 1 and let's add the shipping city. Let's grab the next one, slicer number 2, and then we'll grab the region. Slicer number 3, shipping name. All right, so we've just built 4 slicers here on the side, super fast, already formatted, already to go, and it looks great. Now let's move on to some of the visuals. This visual has a timeline, so let's add the order date to the axis, and we want to get rid of this broken column. And for the values, we'll use the freight cost. Close that out. All right, great, done. Visuals built, looks great on the page. You can drill into the data and see what's going on. Let's build a couple more. Let's go over to this bar chart here on the left-hand side. We'll add customer IDs, and then we'll maybe add ship via. Looks like that's a number as well. There we go. Another chart done. So just keep going through each of these visuals. You can build them however you want. And as you build them, it'll all look very standard, very nice and clean. Additionally, if you don't like any of these visuals and you want to change them slightly, you can go ahead and click on the visual and just change it to a different visual type. And it'll automatically change. Everything else works just like Power BI. Once you're done, save it and have all your files ready to go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the layouts.